So welcome to the next. Hello guys, welcome to the Fibonacci Swings. This side Abu Bakr, and today we are likely to analyze USD. So as last week I told you that price is just moving towards this monthly fair value gap. If you have watched that video, you can see that the price has moved towards this fair value gap on the monthly time frame. So now the price has been actually touched that fair value gap because the monthly fair value gap are likely to just for the touch. See, the price has given up a reaction about here. So I would like to mark it out here. So it's now confirmed. Okay, so now we have actually touched that fair value gap and we got some sort of rejection about it here. So now I have marked out this VR external liquidity, and we have also swept out this low. It was about October low 2023. This was an October low 2023, October candle low. We are on the monthly time frame here investing. So now we will just dive into the daily time frame and let's see how the daily time frame looks like. So on the daily time frame, we are able to see that price has actually give up a reaction about here. See that uh, in the every scenario, if you see that price is moving like this and this. If the price want to change the trend, price broke up this high. So price eventually when it gives up a pullback like this, so eventually it does it means that price wants to actually break off the structure. So we can actually get a reaction about there in the upcoming days. We have a news on Wednesday, we have a news on Tuesday, and Monday will be the no trading day. So I would recommend you to wait for the Monday structural shift on the 4 hour time frame, and Tuesday will be your day to make up the swing trades and let it go towards the highs. So now so let it open, and this is a daily time frame actually. So the bias is now clear. This was the low which has been swept. On the weekly time frame also you can see that there was an order block. If you see it clearly, this is a black candle. So I would like you to mark out this black candle. So this has reacted to this also. Now we have so many confluences matching about the time. So now we can see that price can go up to higher. So this is all about my confluence. I said earlier that I would be likely to market the shorts. I did not did the shorts in the Euro USD because I was not finding good setups. But as of now, I would likely to do that. So okay, so we have now bias clear that we have swept out this liquidity. Now we have liquidity resting above here. So this one is a liquidity area, and there is just a second area of liquidity, and these are the ERLs. Okay, so this was the weekly time frame. Now let's hop onto the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we are able to see that we have break this trend line. So if we see it clearly, this was the trend line which has been broken. So now trend line always make for to break down and to generate the liquidity. See how much liquidity was there. It was on the June price was just moving up and up and up, and now this was a dump here and also that it's like on this. Okay, so we have these also confluence matching. That means price is likely to go above now because the monthly fair value gap has been filled. Now price can go higher. So it's all about the bias. So now we have swept out the liquidity. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame and let's see how the structure is forming at all in the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so hopping on the 4 hour time frame, we can see the reaction about here, and price has closed reactive, and a bullish candle has been closed. But still, we have no confirmation yet in the 4 hour time frame. That means still we are in the uh, indecision that price can go up to lower. So like price can go this, and also price can go up to here. Breakout structure, re-entering about this area. So this has been created in order block. So entering here and go up higher. But this can be the scenario if we close above this. So what to do now? So let's hop onto the 2 hour time frame and let's see what is a 2 hour swing. So in the 2 hour time frame, we can see that let's go to 1 hour. We can see that we have another swing here. So let's mark it out. Now price has been consolidating. So the price is like this was accumulation phase, manipulation, distribution. If we close above this area, we are likely to change in the trend. So now what I have to wait is to wait for the Monday to inverse this fair value gap which is forming up here. To price close bullish above here, make an imbalances about this area. price closed above this area, likely to be this area, and then re-entering upon the discount area, finding a premium PDRA, likely this can be the PDRA if we measure it from below to above. So let's assume price can go up to this area. So premium discount is my let's go to price, go to this area. So we would likely to enter here within this range. This range can be the order block. So let we can be wait for that. But overall, we can see that price has been to going towards the bullish order flow. Price has been created that bullish order flow now. Okay, so we have something bias clear that price is building like a structure, but still we are in the undecision form. That means price can do anything, but as of now, we can assume that now price want to go higher. Price has making some sort of structure here. It's like an accumulation phase. That means the manipulation is all about to happen. That will not be a manipulation, but that would be a shift in trend. Candle closing like this above within so much imbalances, and that means it can do something like this. Price closing above this, we need to enter right above here in the discount zone in the 50% of that, targeting higher. So now this one is thing clear. We are in the 1 hour time frame. Let's deep dive into the 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame is also good. So let me do this one thing. Remove this. This was a monthly fair value cap. Remove this also. So we got a range about here. So this is our current trading range. From Friday, price is likely moving to the consolidation. So now we can see something structural here. If we have something interesting to find out, so marking out these highs. So this is my high, temporary high, and this also is my temporary high, low. Sorry. So now we can see price has reacted to this fair value cap, but still price has not gone lower to this area because this is an ARL. So now we are expecting to price go bullish, and this is our latest swing. Price need to close above that. So I would likely to set up an alert here, set up an alert so that I can be informed so well. Okay, so alert has been set. Now see, we have two ranges. First is the short term range, and two is this 30 minutes range. It's 15-minute range, and this is 1 hour range. Let's hop on to the 5-minute time frame so you can see that if the price has been changed in trend or not. So if we see it clearly, we can see that price has break of structure here. Market structure break in the 5-minute time frame. Although it's temporary, but still we can use it. So let's mark it out, market structure break. And now we can see price has reacted to this order block here. Okay, price is reacted to this order block, but still price is not able to close here. So that means price is just sweeping out the liquidity, low volume area. Still there is low volume in the price. That means the potential uh, trend continuation of bearish can be happen, but still this is an indecision area. We are in the range, and range is actually those most likely to trap the retailers. And now we can see so many things right over there. Price has creating up a range. We have this short term high. So if price close above this, that can be the higher confluence to price, that price can go on the bullish. And now marking out this range and marking out this full leg. Price closes above this, likely to buy the price closes above this. So we can find that order block, which is this range low. We can find out that price can most likely to consolidate here, here, consolidate here, and on the Mondays and Tuesdays price goes to higher about closing about this, and on the next day price coming up to this manipulating this order block and filling up the order block. So if there was a fair value gap which has been filled and now there has been order block formed, so I would likely to enter about this area because on the higher time frame we can see this has been the swing and we are still in the discount. So entering here can be the good decision. So likely to enter here, stop loss below this range, but I still think that price can sweep this range and then go higher. So there can be so many scenarios, but still you need to follow my Instagram so that you can be clear. So now you can just target these highs. So wait for the structure shift in the 3 minutes here and then enter. Otherwise you will be the trapped. Okay. So this is overall thing which I am looking forward to. Hope so you like this video, although it's all about the explanation that how price can react about this area. Because we are still in a crucial area, we need to still wait for the higher time frame structure shift, like 1 hour and 4 hour. After that, we can confirm there are buys. So, elsewise, the price can go lower and lower and lower. So this is all about my biases and my next week plan. I would likely to be go longs because the price has been so much bearish from last many months, and now it's time to really go to the longs and find a swing entry. So imagine you are longing from this area and you are just to take profit is like in this area. So how much pips you are able to capture? You are able to capture 539 pips. So would you like to take me the risk of 539 pips with this range like stop loss, like entering up here, stop loss likely to here? That means I need to enter zero point 0.2 quantity. And how much can be this risk to reward? It can be most scenarios 4 is to 8, 1 is to 4 is to reward. So I would likely to enter with a smaller confluences and then trailing my stop loss so it can be bigger. This is my TP first. So this is the biggest swing. So I would likely to target this area. So this can be the area if I entered there, but still I want to just continue the trend, likely to capture a swing trade from this area to this area, then seeing some sort of structure, entering here to this area, seeing some sort of structure here, entering to this area. This is how the price continues. You actually need to do something like if the price is going shorter to the drawn liquidity below, you need to short when price give you pullback, enter on the pullback and go short. This is how I'm looking forward to the Euro USD. Although if you are not able still to understand, you can message me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is at the rate the Fibonacci Swings, and I have uploaded my trades there. I would likely to mention how the price can be shift there. I would likely to remind you guys there before the price is actually happening that. So you are just connected and you can trade how the market is going on. So this is all my expectations for Mondays and next week. Price can we go bullish? We are reacted to the monthly fair value gap. We are waiting for shift in the 1 hour structure. We will enter on the discount area of 1 hour and target the upper liquidities and still process going on. Wait for the retracement, entering on the retracement with the structure shift going higher, and this is how the process continues. So uh, don't risk more than you can lose, and also follow your risk management rule because risk management is so much important. I would like to be truth with you guys. I have blown so many accounts because I was not following my risk management. So I would likely to recommend you guys follow your risk management and also be with your team and follow your rules because your rules are your rules. Nobody can break that. I was just likely to be taking random trades from the shit people and blowing up accounts. So I would recommend you can just need to view my market points. I am not a single provider. I am just a market viewer. You can say me that analyst. I'm that analyst type of person which are given this like insights of the market, what's going on. This is overall my bias for the next week. See you next week on my Instagram lives and Instagram stories and Instagram reels. So be prepared for next week. See you. Trade the plan, plan the trade. Thank you.